When I called you just now, I realized you changed your ringtone to the sound of my whistling. I was just messing around then. If I knew you were going to use it as a ringtone, I would have done a better job. To be honest, it was just a coincidence. Once, when returning from a mission, we happened to pass through the wetlands. It was cold, and I stood by the water's edge blowing into my hands. To my surprise, I made a whistle, and it echoed really, really far away. Not long after, I heard birds calling. I tried whistling again, and they actually flew over to me. I found it pretty amazing too. Just going off intuition, I whistled a few more times, and the birds responded as if they understood. Well, I happen to have some time before the shift change. I could give you a few pointers right now. Cup your hands together, tight, and press the knuckles of your thumbs together. Pretty much like when we're holding hands together. Just leave a little crack between them. Good. Now gently blow into the crack below your knuckles. It doesn't have to be hard. It sounded to me like you were blowing too hard just now. Try again a little softer. All right, and I'll book some tickets to go to the wetlands on the weekend. When we're there on the water listening to nature, maybe it'll give you the inspiration you need to whistle. Besides, I'm sure those birds will want to hear your performance. Hey, it's me. What's with all the phone calls? Is there something wrong? Huh? How did you know? I don't think I let anything slip this time. Today I'm wearing that white jacket you recommended for me last time, so you must have seen wrong. You're thinking of yesterday. Before leaving, I even accidentally got the zipper stuck on your dress, remember? You really have tired yourself out too much lately. After all, normally, you know exactly what clothes I'm wearing. There's one that we could try. First, try closing your eyes and clear your mind of all distracting thoughts about work. Breathe in rhythm with me. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Then allow me to verify the results. Think back. What did you have for breakfast today? I made that sandwich yesterday. Looks like you still need more rest. How about you just take the day off and go home? It makes me happy to hear you say that. But next time, don't eat something that's been left out overnight. I have indeed heard you say stuff like that before. Alright, you need to get some rest. We can talk again later. This time, it's not a hallucination. It's that little surprise you mentioned earlier. At first, I was planning to come pick you up around dusk, but I had to take care of some business with the squad and only just got here. Open the window. I'll take you out for a ride.